Hello everyone, this is Chris with Natural Gas Intelligence, and today I'm going to teach you how to use our data products on our new website. The first thing you want to do to use data products on our new website is make sure that you're logged in. If you look up to the top right, you can see a welcome to you right here, and you can also see our blue subscriber bar right here, which will be on every page of the website. If you do not see a welcome and a blue subscriber bar, you are not logged in, so make sure that you are. We will start on the pancake menu here. If you open it up, again, you can see that it knows who I am. You can open up premium data services right here, and we have them denoted out by category. So you can jump right to a bidweek data feed or a bidweek historical data, or you can say, oh, I need to access weekly today. You can jump right to those resources as well. Moving down to the subscriber bar, these areas on the left over here are populated with pieces of content that you use the most often. At first, there will not be many there. As you navigate throughout the site and click on subscriber resources, these will change and be populated with what you use all the time. Uh, we really like that feature. We hope it makes it easy to use the site. If you navigate over here to the right, you'll see My Premium Data. You can mouse over the premium data, and again, we have them denoted by category. You can open up any category and see which pieces you have access to. If you don't see a category at all, it's because you don't have access to any content inside of that category. Now, if we open up daily here, you can see that we have two main types of data. We have a data feed and historical data. The data feed is actually very straightforward. You just go straight to the page, you click download data feed, and there you have it. The historical data is a little more involved, so I'm going to give a quick demo of how to use that. Okay, so we click over here and the page loads. One thing to note, at the top of every historical data page, we have all of these quick links here at the top, which will link you to all the other historical data pages. So you can definitely check them out and see if there's any other historical services that you would like to add. But here we are in daily historical data. And how this works is you input a point. So let's put in Henry Hub. You can type in Hen and it will auto-complete it for you. And if you put in a start date of, say, June 1 to June 17, you don't have to click anything. You can just wait for a very brief second and it will show you the curve for those dates. If you mouse over our chart, you can actually see what the prices were on each one of these dates. You actually can then, if this is the date string that you were looking for to be able to grab your data, you can click download data, and in only a moment it will download all the data for you to your desktop. You also can mouse over the chart here, and if you click the little camera, it will take a snapshot of the plot, and you can save this plot as anything that you'd like. So this is great for presentations or anything else where you might want to show how a price has gone up and down over a time range. The other piece of data that I wanted to show you was what we call our daily snapshots. And there's two ways actually you can get to them. The easiest one is to go up to the main menu. Down below data services, you'll see complementary content. If you click into the data snapshots, you can jump right to a daily GPI data snapshot, for example. And the intent of the daily snapshots is these give you a very quick look at what exactly the price is, what it has been, and what the change is. So if you go to, let's choose Agua, the chart and all the data here will reload very quickly. And it will show you all the days that Agua has traded lately. If you mouse over these days, again here you can see the date and the price at each point on this graph. Again, you can save this chart just like on the other one. And over here on the left, you can see locations, point codes, what the regions are, what the change has been, and so on and so forth. You actually can even change your data type from daily, which we're on currently. Let's say you needed to go look at now weekly prices. You could change that, and this screen will now reload, and you'll have access to the weekly date range. One thing to note is that if you are logged in, you can see the mouse over and do all the saving. If you are not logged in, you will see a stripped down version of this information over here, and you will not be able to mouse over and see these prices. That's all for right now. Thanks for watching.